I had to clean a thingamajiggy like this. Okay. So, if you want these, just go to the dollar store. There's a 3-pack. Yeah. Snapchat. No. Okay, so then just do this. And I hope this works. As you can see, it works. The new wet wipes, great for wipers. Shut up! How about no? Be quiet, dogs. Oh, come on. Okay, I'll be back when this is done. Okay, well, I tried that. Yeah. So we're just gonna use back. Bye.